Check it out, check it out. We got sheeps, man. Sheeps right here. There's a sheep farm right here. That's crazy, man. I had no idea, man. Nothing, you know. Just pictures. Just pictures. Look at that. We got a sheep farm right here. That is crazy, man. Go Argentina, man. But we got sheep farms right here next to our accommodation. I had no idea. You know, I just got off taking some pictures. It's super cool, man. Super amazing. Check it out, man. Check it out. Crazy people. So I guess, yeah, they breed them right here, and yeah, just right there. Crazy, man. That's amazing. I heard there's the goats right here. There's sheeps apparently. I seen camels right there farming too. Seen a whole bunch of people. Let's go. Man. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's crazy. That's amazing. Look at those sheep. Crazy. That's cool. Awesome, man. Let's go. Oh, we got horses here too. Look, check it out. Horses. Woo! We got horses. Awesome. Not bad. How you doing? More horses right here. Crazy, man. Very cool. How are you?
How are you?
Hi, how are you, man? Good. How you doing? Peace out. Let's go. Very nice place, man. I guess they're farming and close to each other, you know? That's good. But yeah, next to Barwa Barahat Al Janoub, we're goats right there. We're crazy. Sheeps. Let's go, man. Very cool.
Lala Maishri.
No, let's go.
What's the video?
Just video, just picture.
Check on picture,
Yeah.
this guy.
Just picture, that's it.
Hello.
Hi, how you doing?
Good.
Good. Very good, man.
Argentina?
Huh?
Argentina?
No,
Argentina?
American.
No, America?
Yeah, American.
America, good.
Good. That's the goat.
Bakri?
No, just checking. Yeah, just checking.
good.
Very good. Thank you. Go Messi. Yeah, go Messi. Awesome. Yeah, check it out. The whole farm. This is how they farm them. That's crazy. That's amazing. Check it out. No. Check it out. Crazy, man. They say if you want to eat sheep, man, no thank you. No thank you, you know. I think I have to go process to the FDA at least, you know. Cool. You know, it's a slaughterhouse. That's what it is. So it's not a farming, it's literally a slaughterhouse. Which I guess they feed them and they wait till they get big and then they eat them. Like you say, hungry, okay, you can get a sheep, take home. Okay then, you can take home a sheep. Crazy.